are going to love the 2019 Audi S4. When it comes to the Audi S4, nothing is left to chance. It is purposeful and powerful, and it turns heads, moving or parked. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, compass, rear window defroster, fog lights, trip computer, heated front seats, tachometer, panic alarm, brake assist, power moonroof, remote keyless entry, overhead console. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.